Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Builder Gel nails. We'll start by understanding what Builder Gel is and why it's a fantastic choice for achieving strong, beautiful nails. This guide will walk you through every step, from preparation to the final, glossy finish. Get ready to transform your nail game with this comprehensive tutorial, ensuring a professional look every time. Before we dive into application, let's ensure you have all the necessary supplies. You'll need a good quality Builder Gel, a base coat, and a top coat for a complete system. A UV or LED lamp is crucial for curing, typically requiring 60 to 90 seconds per layer. Also, have your nail file, buffer, and a dedicated gel brush ready for precise application. Preparation is key. Now for the exciting part, application. First, prepare your nails by gently pushing back cuticles and lightly buffing the surface. Apply a thin, even layer of base coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Next, take a small bead of Builder Gel and carefully apply it, building the desired shape and apex. Remember to cure each layer thoroughly, usually for 60 seconds, before moving to the next. Once your Builder Gel is fully cured, it's time for the finishing touches. Wipe away the sticky inhibition layer with nail cleanser. Then, file and shape your nails to perfection, ensuring smooth edges and a beautiful contour. Finish with a glossy top coat, curing it for 60 to 90 seconds for maximum shine and protection. Remember to moisturize your cuticles daily to keep your nails looking their best and extend the life of your manicure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.